So one of the things you definitely want to have, if you are a little bit fuller here and you need extra straps to hold up maybe your swimsuit, if your swimsuit has like adjustable straps, you can use the invisible bra straps. And I made a video about this on my YouTube, and you can follow me on my YouTube at KRWBIN. All of my social media is KRWBIN, but these are invisible bra straps, so you can connect them to your bra. The strap goes, over just like a regular bra strap, except it's clear, and that way you can kind of conceal the fact that you're holding up, additional bra straps. So these are breast petals. So if you're wearing a swimsuit that's a little more revealing, it's not considered nudity unless the nipple part is showing. So you can use breast petals over, it's a little petal you put over your nipple, and then you can wear your swimsuit that's a little bit more revealing. And then if you are wearing a wig like I am, you might want to have an extra wig grip on that you can actually wrap around your hair, the circumference of your head, and then it kind of keeps your wig from slipping on and off. You can use this in addition to the wig straps that are attached to your wig, or whatever you need for extra security, because when you're on the beach or on vacation, it's very windy and it's easy for wind to creep up under that wig and slip it back. So definitely you want to get some wig grips. And then if you don't want to do the whole breast petal thing, you actually want to have a concealment on the breast, but you want to lift the breast up a little bit more in your swimsuit, you can use your breast lift pasties. And they are silicone, so make sure you're not allergic to any kind of silicone. They do stick on your nipple, and then this top piece here, you pull that up to pull your breast up, and then you stick that on your skin. So that gives you a little lift without having bra straps, if you desire. Sometimes you can just wear your swimsuit. Like I have my regular swimsuit top. I don't have any extra adjustments to it, but if you want a little bit more extra security, definitely invest in your breast lift pasties and your breast petals. And I have these available on my website at www.krwbin.com. You're welcome to shop there anytime. I have a flexible payment system. You can spin the wheel and win a discount code once you enter into the site. You can do flexible payments. You can do Shop Pay, Apple Pay. So you have different options when shopping on our site. And then of course you want to have your sunglasses. And with your sunglasses, you want to make sure if you are wearing false lashes, you want to make sure that your sunglasses have enough space in between so that you can wear your false lashes without your sunglasses pushing up against your false lashes and causing, uncomfortability. So you definitely want to have your sunglasses. I have these available on my website. They're in red, they're in black, white. I think I have an animal print or a brown print. So you're welcome to check that out on your leisure. And they're just $20. Plus you can do flex pay. You can do flexible payments on your $20 and get them home to you as soon as you submit your first payment. So if you are planning to get in the water, but you are prone to ear infections, then you definitely want to get you some earplugs. And these you would definitely, give you a little demonstration. They come out in a little tube, and then you just twist them. Twist the tip, and then you stick it in your ear, and then it will inflate by the size of your ear. And that will keep most of the sun, the wind, the sand, and most of the water out of your ears. Unless you're going like swimming with your head completely under the water when you're at the beach. And then if you're swimming and you definitely want to look at the amoebas that's under the water, make sure you have some goggles, and that way you can put your goggles on and you can see underwater. These are perfect if you're in the pool also, but if you're at the beach and you're like really at the beach to swim, then definitely bring you some goggles or sport shades or anything with any kind of rubber or adjustable. One thing to definitely have, which is something we sometimes forget, duckbill clips. Because you want to, once you start getting in the water, you definitely want to, you know, pin your hair up. And that way you can get the rest of your body wet without getting your hair wet, if you're wearing a longer hairstyle. But for right now, I'm going to wear it down. So definitely, if those are just a couple of essentials that you need if you are going on vacation or you're at the beach and you want to be fabulous but you don't want to wear a bunch of clothes. Stay tuned for our next video. We'll be showing you different types of denim shorts that we have on our site. If you want to wear shorts, we have those, and if you want to wear the longer ones to cover up most of your thigh meat, we have those. I have those on. And then we have denim skirts, and we'll be offering more denim items later on in the year as the fall progresses for back to school. So thank you for joining me once again. This is Kim from KRWBIN, and you're welcome to shop with us at www.krwbin.com. Have